Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of creating a new account on Instagram. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to join the Instagram community, making a new Instagram account is a quick and straightforward process. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you have the latest version installed. Step 2. On the login screen, look for the option that says Sign up with email or phone number. Tap on it to begin the account creation process. Step 3. Enter your email address or phone number in the provided field. Once you've filled in the required information, tap on Next to proceed. Step 4. Enter your full name and create a unique username for your Instagram account. Your username is how you'll be identified on the platform. Step 5. Create a strong and secure password for your Instagram account. Make sure to use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Tap on Next to proceed. Step 6. Optionally, you can upload a profile picture for your account by tapping on Add a photo. This helps personalize your Instagram experience. However, you can also choose to skip this step and add a profile picture later. Step 7. Optionally, you can connect your Instagram account to your Facebook account by tapping on Connect to Facebook. This allows you to find and connect with friends on Instagram. However, you can also choose to skip this step. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to make a new account on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.